government program that was just introduced of the first home savings account. It's a really great way, instead
Hmm.
of keeping your down payment in just like a regular savings account, by putting it into the first home savings account, you get tax benefits. And yeah, it's just a smarter way to grow your down
Hmm.
payment. Yeah.
Yeah, I guess as a first-time home buyer, there's a few programs to be aware of. I think the first-time home savers account, that's a federal thing. And also good to be aware that even though you bought a home previously, you may still qualify for that as a first-time home buyer on the federal level. But of course, it can get confusing because like on the provincial level, there's the property transfer tax here in BC, which is a big cost for buyers. Was 1% on the first 200,000, 2% over 200,000, but first-time home buyer can be exempt from that. However, if you're, not someone who's purchased before, taken that 4 years and qualifies on a federal level for the first-time home savers account, but only a true first-time home buyer, so it gets a little bit confusing. But
Yeah.
yeah, what are other programs, or how would you help clarify those programs?
I think, yeah, the BC property transfer tax exemption is a huge, huge savings for first-time home buyers. So when you purchase up to $500,000, you get a full exemption, but you have to be a true first-time home buyer, meaning you've never owned a home for your own personal residence anywhere in the world before. And there's no reset to that one. That one is just a one time, one and done, because it is such a big savings. So if you are purchasing as a first time home buyer up to 835,000, you get a partial exemption, not a full exemption. So that is something that, talk to your realtor, talk to your mortgage broker, and then your real estate lawyer will give you the final like amount. They will be the one to fully confirm your property transfer tax exemption. Absolutely. Yeah, and RSP as another first-time home buyer. Um, its benefit. They've increased the first time home benefit to 60,000. So you can withdraw up to 60,000 of your own RSPs now without any tax implications. However, some people don't know that you have to pay that one back. So
Hmm.
over 15 years, you have to recontribute to your RSPs and repay it back over the 15 years. So whatever you withdraw, if you're looking to avoid any tax implication, you have to
Hmm.
put it back in 15 years.